Hi there, it's Mary from stampingmary.stampinup.net. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today's card features the Sweet Jar Bundle. This is a new online exclusive item. It's a stamp set and punch. You won't find it in the new May catalogue. You'll find it online when you go into the Stampin' Up website. That's what it will look like when you go and you'll find it as an online exclusive. So when you're going into the ordering program, and you look for online, you'll find a Sweet Jar Bundle. I love it. I love a stamp set that has a coordinating punch. There's the punch, cute little jar. Here's the stamp set. I made this really easy little card, which I cased it from the Stampin' Up website actually. And I did a watercolour wash on watercolour paper on the background there. And I actually used one of our new in colours, which is Strawberry Slush. But for my actual card we're going to make today, I used the thick basic white. I embossed it first, and then I did just a simple watercolour wash, just some water on the paper, and then the ink over the top, just on a little gentle wash using my water painter. Leave it a little while to dry, obviously. Don't put too much water down because your paper will just be too saturated. And I thought it made a little bit of a different background there as well, rather than just using the same coordinating cardstock. Let's make the card together. This is what the new annual catalogue looks like. This is the one that has just launched from the beginning of May. It is a fabulous catalogue, and if you live in New Zealand and you don't currently have a demonstrator, a Stampin' Up demonstrator, and you'd like a copy of that catalogue, it's free. Please contact me via my Stampin' Up website and I will send a copy to you. Let me show you how I made this card. Very easy. So this is a piece of thick basic white, and I have, as I said, done a watercolour wash on it. I have a card base, which is pretty in pink, and another coordinating piece for the inside, and just a plain piece of thick basic white to do our stamping. So I've used 3 different colours here. I've used Summer Splash, Lemon Lolly, and Peach Pie. So let's go ahead and do the stamping. Put that one out of the way for the time being. We don't need that right now. So we'll start with Peach Pie, and I'm just going to stamp straight up and straight down, and I'll do the candles on the inside at the same time. So just stamp there, we go, and then just clean my, just got my Simply Chamois to the side here, just clean that. One. And what do we do next? Let's do Summer Splash. Love these colours together. Bright and cheerful. Summer Splash. Cute little candles on the inside. As I said, this I just copied the sample on the website. That's what the samples are for. Don't think you have to come up with everything on your own. That's why our designers do it. And this is Lemon Lolly. I love Lemon Lolly. And I might have got that a bit low. I think it'll be okay. We'll try. Hopefully it's okay. So I just cut a relatively thin strip of the basic white because we don't need to punch out the lid. We're going to be doing that in the cardstock colours. So I may need to do that one again. Let me just see. I think I got it right. Yep. What I love about this punch is that it doesn't leave a really big border. So if you like your punches to be quite, punching quite close to the stamped image, then this is definitely the punch for you. And I have linked all of these products in the description bar below. When you click on them, you'll be taken to my Stampin' Up store. So here they all are. Now before we go any further, before I forget, I'm just going to put a little bit of Winter Stella on there. All it does is just gives it a little bit of shine. You can't really see it on the video, I know, but I know it's there. It's optional, but I think it looks cute. All right, let's punch out the lids now. Now, once again, you can just use your little scraps of your designer series, your cardstock, I should say, because you only want a little bit, right? So let's do that here. And lemon lolly, that was Summer Splash. This is a bit of lemon lolly. And Peekaboo Peach. Great way to use up your little extras that you have hanging around. Tidy up, and let me get that base. Here we go. And just going to position them onto that watercolor. It's quite different, isn't it, using the watercolor paper to the basic white. I mean, I like it. I do like it. Something a bit different. And plus if you're making a lot of these, the watercolor paper is a little bit more expensive. So if you wanted to keep the cost down, I think this is a good option. So let's go ahead and position these on here now, and then we'll do our last little bit of stamping right there. Where are my dimensionals? They are. Oops, wrong ones. Got the little ones out by mistake. Let's get the larger ones. So I put this one on first. And that one there, just on a slight angle. I'm going to put this one on flat without any dimension at all, just so. Just pop that under there like that, and then the last one on a slightly different angle. Use your dimensionals, and pop that up there like that. Slightly different, so we get a, yeah, go, good. And then the little lids, I'm going to use mini dimensionals for these ones. I don't use my mini dimensionals that often, so this is a good opportunity. You can leave them off. You can use your foam strips if you would prefer, or you can leave these flat. Just pop that on an angle. Really easy little card. And I think the watercolor wash on the background gives it a little bit of interest. I used the watercolor wash. The color on the background is actually a new color, one of our new in colors, and it's actually Strawberry Slush. If I said it was pretty in pink, then that was my mistake. The card base is pretty in pink, but the ink that I used is Strawberry Slush. Looks different on both of them. I mean, a watercolor wash is never going to look the same. They're always, every one you do is going to look different. But I think it's a nice way to, let me just get the backing off that little dimensional there. A nice way to do it. Point of interest, that lid's a little bit crooked. Just fix that one. Now the sentiment is also stamped in one of our new colours. This is Secret Sea. It's not early espresso, it's not dark blue. It's just a lovely inky colour, and I absolutely love it. It is just fabulous. So I have already cut out a piece using one of our dies. And here it is, Happy Birthday. So I'm going to stamp that on there now. Normally I would stamp and then die cut, but just for the sake of the video and a bit of extra time. Secret Sea. I think it might be my new favourite 2025 Stampin' Up in colour. I really do. It's lovely. So pretty. And we are not going to forget to put our beautiful new embellishments on here. They are also new in the Stampin' Up catalogue. Just pop that one up there. There you go. A little bit different from that one, but that's okay. It's handmade. So these are my favourite. These are Strawberry Slush and Pretty in Pink Gems. They are brand new in the catalogue and they are delicious. Not to eat, obviously, but they are just delicious. Delicious to use. I love the colours. Love, love, love. Just love them. I don't think I will get sick of using these for the whole of the current use of this catalogue. I really don't. I think I have to order some more pretty soon because, yeah, I'm going to keep using them. I just know it. Let's put one here. I think they look pretty with this. It's a simple little card, right? Oops. So I'll just pop some on there. And then dimensionals on the back. I will link the embossing folder I used as well. You don't have to emboss if you don't want to, but I think always embossing a card front that's got a simple design, I think it just adds a bit of texture. Okay, and there you have it. Just get that on straight, shall we? There it is. Simple and easy. A cute little card made using the Sweetest Jar bundle. The Sweetest Jar bundle from Stampin' Up. I hope you enjoyed that video. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact me, stampingmary@gmail.com. Thank you so much and have a really good day. Bye now.